Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am here to speak about science, merits and demerits. Science is the logical and systematical collection of information about the universe through the observation. So, it's really just a disciplined accumulation of knowledge. Science provides us understanding and can make more accurate predictions about how things in the natural universe work. Science can well be called as a mixed bag. It has in it merits as well as demerits. Science has given a lot of benefits to the human world. The TV which we use in our homes is a formation of just two words grammatically, that is, tele means distance and vision means to see. But if we think it scientifically, it has many electronic components in it and only known to an engineer or its producer. Nowadays, people are just buying and making use of these inventions of technology, but never ever thinks what is in it, how it is giving us too many benefits, and what benefits it is providing us. One of the important and biggest benefits of these machines is that they are less time consuming. They provide us daily news and information and that what is happening in the world. In short, this serves as a door to outside world. The other machines like cars, aeroplanes, trains and ships provide us a good and comfortable means of transportation. These help in transporting people, goods and heavy machineries from place to place and over a long distance. Some other machines like refrigerator and air conditioner is widely used in every corner of the world for cooling purpose and for preserving the perishable items. The telephone, cell phone and internet serves as great means of communication which are fast and easily operable. These are available in all costs because of day by day increase in technology. Thus, these machines have a great impact on our lives as provide a lot of benefits to us. In the course of progress in science, we can construct machines that fly, that allow us to see objects too small or far away to be detected by the naked eye. We can transport water great distances to fertilize crops and make certain areas livable that weren't before. We can cure diseases that once we couldn't. We can explore under the sea and upon the surface of the moon. Also, as our knowledge increases, we are forced to re-evaluate our existing benefits very often. Those beliefs are long-standing and held by many within society. Not so long ago, people thought the earth was flat and the sun revolved around us. We thought the flu was caused by evil spirits and thunderstorms meant the gods were angry. Now we have discovered that the world is round and that we are but one of many planets orbiting our sun, the earth, and that diseases and weather shifts are natural phenomena whose causes we didn't understand before. But the tragic fact is that definitely we develop technologies faster than we expand socially. So We wind up with the ability to do things, but not necessarily the wisdom required to make a good decision about whether or not we should. Science has given so much power to man, which probably he cannot keep under his control. Science has also given to man some destructive articles such as guns, pistols, the rifles, cannon, bombs, warships, missiles, etc. Man is today sitting on a huge stockpile of explosive material which can destroy his very existence on this earth in twinkling on of an eye, even as a result of slight error or misunderstanding on his part. Unless man destroys weapons of mass destruction, he cannot have real happiness on this earth. So, preparation for war negates all efforts of man towards progress. Progress may seem to be impressive and even tremendous, but at present it is not free from corresponding dangers which are disastrous and fatal in nature. So remember always, though science is not art, how you use science is definitely an art. Thank you all.